Hey guys, welcome to coding-bootcamps.com. Be sure to follow us on social media such as LinkedIn, Facebook, YouTube, and other social media platforms. Today we're going to be talking about the course we have available, which is Introduction to Linux Bash Scripting. We're going to start off with a little bit about myself. My name is Kevin Downs. I'm going to be the instructor for this course. I'm a Red Hat Certified System Administrator, or RHCSA. At my current job, I'm in charge of administering hundreds of Linux servers across multiple different distributions. I work as a Unix system administrator supporting several large enterprise-level clients with IBM across multiple environments. As an RHCSA, I'm adept at Linux programming for both personal and server Linux systems. I'm also pursuing my Red Hat Certified Systems Engineer and DevOps. Let's go and talk a little bit about this course. So the prerequisites for this course is Introduction to Linux OS. Guys, if you have not taken this course yet, be sure to follow this link, complete that course. Once you've completed that course, go ahead and come back to this course and you can take this one. The things we discuss in this course are built upon the foundations and concepts we lay down in this course. So without this course, you're going to be a little lost as to what's going on in this course. It's crucial that you complete this course first. Some of the topics that are going to be covered in this course are basic user commands, intro to shells and fish bash scripting, shell programming, advanced shell features, text manipulation utilities, networking commands, and we're going to have some hands-on projects. The first one's going to be bash scripting with 12 hands-on examples. Then we're going to do a grep command project with 10 hands-on examples. And then we're going to have you write your very own bash script. Okay, so after completing this course, you should have all the tools and knowledge necessary to be able to write this script on your own. So what's the takeaway from this course? What do you get by completing it, and what's going to happen after you finish this course? Well, by completing this course, you'll be able to go out there and pursue a career, whether that's in development or system administrator, IT specialist. Any of those jobs are going to require some form of scripting knowledge. Okay? So by having this base knowledge available to you, you're going to be able to go out and feel confident looking into some of those careers and getting your foot into some of those careers by learning these necessary skills of scripting. Okay? So some follow-up classes to take after this course are Learn PHP Programming, Intermediate Level Linux Bash Scripting, which is a course I'll be instructing as well, Linux Management for System Admins, which is another course I'll be instructing, and Intro to HTML and CSS. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and other social media platforms, and check out our other courses on coding-bootcamps.com. And I'm looking forward to seeing you in this course and on the next session.